throughout my real estate career have used mostly other people's money to do all of our deals. So I'll put the appropriate amount of debt on a property and use the bank's money and my credit. And then a lot of times on our commercial syndications, it's friends and family who, are putting up a chunk of the down payment to get their proportional share of ownership. And especially on some of the bigger deals, you don't see too many $50 million properties owned by a single individual. So it's a group of folks that have come together and everyone helps with the down payment and participates in the cash flow and the loan pay down and the tax advantages and maybe the profit potential if you turn around and sell it, or if you refinance and return some of that down payment, that works beautifully too. So having all of the cash should not be a limiting factor for someone doing commercial real estate. Really, you just need to go establish the skills to be able to attract money to you, which a lot of times comes down to finding great deals, because a great deal is magnetic for money. Banks want it, and then friends and family and country club money wants to get involved in that as well.